By
One-
Hang Long?
No, past Hang Long.
Past Hang Long. They have real crab, right?
Hang Long might have real crab.
Oh, okay.
No, Hang Long has real crabs.
Yeah,
But
they
it's
have.
open till 8
Yeah,
only.
sometimes they have it, sometimes they
Sometimes
don't
they
have it.
don't?
Yes. Not sure. Usually at sports store,
Huh?
but that sports store by the Swiss Central, yeah, they don't have it. Only this one, a fake one we have.
Yeah. It's what time is it now? 8
So
now. It's past
right
8 o'clock,
now, yeah, past 8
Because I
o'clock.
just noticed on 140th and
What time usually you close?
we
Yeah,
we open until 11.
until 11.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Also, I don't know actually because they have a bigger seafood
Yeah,
in the fish store.
yeah.
So I think they might have crabs. I'm not sure though.
Not sure. Huh?
Yeah. But there's a new seafood place that opened on 140th and I haven't been inside.
Where is it?
It's called Pacific something.
Oh, Pacific Center.
No. Pacific. I don't know. It's called Pacific something. I don't know. It's a new store.
New store. Oh.
New store that opened.
They have like
there's
seafood.
a complex.
Yeah.
Well, it says seafood.
Oh, okay.
Pacific.
Pacific Seafood.
Yeah. It's in a complex.
By the complex area.
There's a Vietnamese restaurant there.
Yeah.
Taste of Vietnam, I think.
Vietnamese restaurant.
Yeah, right next in the same complex.
Oh, okay.
There's a Filipino store there too. It's on 140th and 104.
140 and 104 Avenue.
But I don't know what time they open till. Because it's
yeah,
a complex. It's a small complex.
Yeah.
Maybe they close early.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna check it out.
Yeah,
Thank you so much,
yeah.
sis. I appreciate that. Thanks. Syedra, abusyik minta biang lah. Ana biang ana minta biang. How you doing?
All right.
Good. Rekan kita mau you lihat nak tah hajar abusyik yang minta biang ana muka biang. Kuna apa jauh biang. Biang harum macam na. Weh pungo du mula madalim. Biang harum proposal halu yang berat mai. Cuba untuk penjual hekrim. Hai rakat. Oka apa bandu? Kita mau you lihat. Aku nak hajar ulama-ulama dalim. Mengkat tu pegau lain dalam video lihat. Boleh nak hajar kalinya yang berat mai. Bet dia dong bab pintu penguasa. Pegah baju sia buli sana muku pegah. Si Akmal Fauzi kajuk ke ya ke sia buli kajuk ke lon. Ni lon hendak baju sia buli.